In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Mailchimp. If you're looking to jazz up your emails with some eye-catching visuals or need to add some professional images to your landing pages, this tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring your images are uploaded and ready to be integrated into your campaigns effortlessly. Let's start by heading over to the Mailchimp website. If you haven't done so already, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the Content Studio, which will be crucial for our image uploading process. Once you've located the Content Studio, go ahead and click on it. This area is essentially your command center for all things media related within Mailchimp. Next, you'll see an option labeled My Files. Clicking on My Files will bring up your current content library, displaying any files you've already uploaded in a neatly organized format. Now, to add new content, we need to click the Upload button. This is where the magic happens. Selecting this button will prompt a file browser window to open, allowing you to navigate through the files on your computer. Choose the image file that you want to upload. Ensure that the image is suitable for your campaign, both in size and resolution, to maintain a professional appearance in your emails or landing pages. After you've chosen your image, simply select it, and Mailchimp will automatically upload the file. The upload process is usually quick and easy, but it may take a little longer for larger files or depending on your internet speed. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see it appear in your content library among any previously uploaded items ready for use. With the image now in your library, we can move on to implementing it into an email or a landing page. Start by opening the desired campaign or email template where you want to place your image. You'll need to drag and drop an image block into the desired spot within your email layout. This step is as simple as it sounds and offers a lot of flexibility in terms of design and placement. Once your image block is positioned, click Add and then choose Browse Images. This option lets you select the uploaded image from your Content Studio. After locating your image, click on Insert to place it in the content block. Before completing everything, take a moment to adjust the image settings if necessary. Here you can resize the image, align it to fit your design, and add alt text for accessibility purposes. Finally, with all adjustments made to your satisfaction, hit save and close. This will secure your changes and your image is now fully integrated into your Mailchimp campaign, ready to captivate your audience.